Mechanical toy videos are absolutely exploding on TikTok right now. Just take a look at this page. It has grown to over 460,000 followers by posting simple videos like these. And the craziest part, almost every video is pulling in millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same type of content completely for free. And to show you what's possible, here's a video I made in less than 5 minutes. Check this out. And if you're enjoying content like this, go ahead and subscribe because we've got a lot more coming. Now, let's get started. To create videos like these, first open the master prompt from the description below and copy the entire thing. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt right here and hit run. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 crazy video ideas for you. If you find one you like, just pick it and move on. And if none of them stand out, simply type more and run it again to get a fresh set of ideas. For this example, I'm going to choose idea number 5. Now hit run. Next, ChatGPT will generate 6 different model variations for that idea. You can choose whichever one you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm going with number 3. Now run it again, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt and video prompt for that model. Alright, now it's time to create the images. I'm going to switch over to my phone so it's easier to follow along. Once you're on the Flow website in Chrome, select the image option. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and set the model to Nano Banana Pro. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 1, return to Flow, paste it here, and hit run. After a short wait, your first image will be ready. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy image prompt 2. Then return to Flow, click the plus icon, and select image 1 as your reference image. You can choose whichever image you prefer, but I'll use image 1 for this example. Now paste the second prompt and hit run. This helps keep the second image consistent with the first one. And there we go. Image 2 is ready as well. Now it's time to generate the video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and return to Flow. Open the video section, select your frame settings and aspect ratio. Then upload image 1 as the starting frame and image 2 as the ending frame. I'll do that now. Next, paste the video prompt and hit run. After a few minutes, your video will be ready. And here's the result. Looks pretty awesome, right? Now you can repeat this process with as many ideas as you want. In fact, I used this exact method to create several more videos. Take a look at these. And remember, you'll find the master prompt in the description below, so make sure to grab it. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI niche video. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.